Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Pay for Watch Time Content Creators Forum. This is the place to connect, learn, and grow with fellow creators. Join us and start monetizing your content today. Today's topic, Context Window, AI's virtual memory. When we use AI tools like ChatGPT, sometimes it forgets what we told it earlier. Maybe a name, maybe your first instruction. And then we wonder, if AI is so intelligent, how can it forget? It processes data instantly, yet details slip away. This isn't just a glitch, it's a paradox. So, does AI truly forget? Think about human memory. If you talk to someone for 10 minutes, they remember everything. But if you talk for 3 hours, they may forget what was said in the beginning. Why? Because humans have memory limits. AI also has a memory limit. In AI, this limit is called the context window. It simply means the amount of information the AI can see and process at one time. Let's understand this with numbers. Suppose an AI model has a 128K context window. That means 128,000 tokens. This is approximately 96,000 words. If one token is roughly 0.75 words, that equal around 96,000 words. So the AI can process about 96,000 words at one time. Here is the important part. At 96,000 words includes both your input and the AI's output. Both together must fit inside the limit. Imagine you say, "My name is Ram." After a long conversation, the AI forgets your name because that message moved outside the context window. AI does not have permanent memory. It only sees what is currently inside the window. Anything outside that window is invisible to the model. A larger context window allows AI to handle long conversations, analyze large documents, and maintain better continuity. That's why modern AI systems are increasing context size. To use AI more effectively, keep prompts structured and clear. Avoid extremely long chats when possible. Repeat important instructions if needed. So in simple terms, a context window is the amount of information AI can process at one time. If AI forgets, it is not unintelligent. It simply reached its limit. Welcome to Pay for Watch Time, the forum for creators. We're using AI to unlock new ways to monetize your content. If you're a content creator, this is for you. Join us and start earning.